Bet your truck ain't. Look how I'm messing with him about the roof on. What it do, 32 gang? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. I am actually on my way to pick up my truck. The sunroof is in. They did the sunroof, and one day they sent me a picture. It looked good. I can't wait, but my ass got an Uber now. I was finna shoot a video for the other channel, but I can't. I got a lot of freaking running around to do today. I decided on which rims I'm gonna order first. I can't tell you, but I'm gonna order another set in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna have 2 sets of 30 plus wheels coming. You know, we got Project Code X on the way, and we got my truck build on the way, man. So I'm probably hit up Dave later today and see if you want to get started on the interior. What else I got going on? I don't know, always got something going on. But yeah, guys, this video is basically gonna be about me picking up my truck, showing y'all the sunroof, showing y'all the work, and moving on to the next thing, man. I'm actually tired, of course. Y'all already know I'm always tired. But it's your boy CJ on 32s. If I put my camera down, that means my grind stop, and I can't stop grinding, so I gotta keep my camera in my hand and keep the footage coming. Hey, and if you here, man, go out the video and drop a thumbs up and a like on the video. It helps the algorithm for the channel. If you really 32 gang and you want to see me grow, I'll be getting 30, 40, 60, a couple 100,000 views too. And y'all can hit the like button for your boy. Go drop a like and a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my new channel, Vlogging with CJ on 32s. It's a little bit more raw, a little bit more uncut. Going back to the main thing on this channel, guys, toning back down the bad words, but on the Corey channel, you gonna get it all, but we're gonna tone it back down on this channel. But appreciate all the love and support, man. Y'all stick around till we get to this truck. Operation GMC on the way. All right, 32 gang, we done finally made it over here to Restyling Concepts to get my truck. We're gonna see what they done got done. Psych, it's done, guys, but we're gonna go in here and see what they got going on inside the shop. Oh man, I see now. I'm kind of glad I see a long I don't know what the hell y'all call them. I know it's double cab, crew cab, but I see the bed shorter when you got the 2 big doors. I'd rather have a longer bed. But we're gonna go in here and see what they got going on inside of here. He ain't working hard over there. This is where the magic happened right here. What's up?
Nothing.
Roof getting put in. Look at him, man, down there. Thought you was on a smoke break. Durango. Getting that roof. What's going on?
Hello, CJ.
How you doing? Ready to see that truck? Yep, let's go. They like your bike. They said it's a real fast bike.
You know it.
Big boy. Pipes on there. Yes, sir. What's going on? Your neighbor came out and said, "Hey, what are you doing? Recording?" I said, "Yeah." He was like, "Oh, I seen you before over here." All right. Conrad. What he do over there?
Oh, he does nothing. He drives cars for us. He picks up and delivers.
Oh, for you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on. Man, I don't see no roof up there. Where the roof at? What the hell? Oh, okay.
This
We
one's
got
really
a big
nice.
roof.
Really nice.
Oh, push button, let the roof back on y'all, man.
And then
Can let it all the way back. Oh yeah. Ain't like you can really see a truck roof, but hey, we know it's there, 32 gang. Details matter, right? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
and then
Super fast install. One day, guys. Check it out. Your boy got that truck life.
And then auto close.
Oh, hold on. You turn the car off. Oh, look at that roof go back by itself. That's what I'm talking about, man. Slide it up. Bam.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yep. I gotta go all the way around. I'm gonna need you to. I'm gonna go on the back and look at it. Oh man. See what it look like up here.
There you go.
Yeah. Ooh, check out the roof, guys. Big boy roof up there. Yeah. Check it out. Sliding back. One day installation, man. Come on, guys. One day. You can see your boy through the roof. Now, I know some of y'all was saying do the double roof, but I just didn't want to do the double roof because this. When you do the double roof, you cut into this. Now he on the smoke break.
Yep.
Man, you work fast, man. One day job. I could have did the double roof, couldn't I?
No, I just got ridges up.
Because of these?
Yeah.
See, I kind of figured that. I seen one with the double roof, but they cut the ridges out. No good. Appreciate it. Another good job turned out. So y'all already know, man, if y'all need some sunroofs, heated leather seats, what else y'all do? Man, they do everything. Shit, I can't remember.
Well, leather seats, DVDs, backup cameras. Our specialty are power sunroofs.
And they come in two sizes, right?
Yeah,
Two sizes.
big and bigger.
Big and bigger. Scott over here, cuddle, man. He said you the best.
Yep.
The best he had.
He is. He's modest. He's a little modest.
Say, Scott, tell him, man, no matter what you do, don't the work speak for itself, right? Appreciate it.
Customer.
What, they got a double roof?
No, we have to fix their vinyl top.
Oh, okay. Vinyl top going on there.
That's the car. Oh no, that was different.
When I can borrow your little car though?
Yeah, anytime you want.
They like it.
Anytime.
All right, man. Appreciate y'all. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to the shop, go to the bank. Oh man, appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Super cold. All right.
That one in your cutlass.
What'd you say?
Same the one that was in your cutlass.
Yeah, I sold it.
Oh yeah.
I got that.
Give it to your buddy.
Yeah, I got the one with the T-tops now. Yep, big roof up there, man. It's crazy because a truck you really can't see up there that you got a sunroof. Man, I love this thing though. Good investment. All right. I'm finna definitely go to the shop and swerve on off-road Al, guys. Everything coming together, man. Y'all just don't even know. Like, no, I ain't crying. I ain't that happy, but man, everything just coming together. Like, as far as content for the channel go, y'all know it was winter and it's been hard, but I made shit happen. So appreciate everybody who rock with the channel, man. I really appreciate y'all. And we just about to turn up. We about to go to the slide on off-road. I'm swerving on them when I get there. I'm about to go to the bank, cut the check for Giotto, hit up Dave, try to get the red ultra leather put in. We about to go crazy, man. We about to go real crazy. Stay tuned. Pulling up at the shop and look who I see outside. Definitely finna swerve on him. Look. Look how he looking. Yeah, get swerved though. Hey, he don't wanna look. Hold on, watch this, guys. Hey, Al, bet your truck ain't. Look how I'm messing with him out the roof on. He moving all fast, man. He don't want no smoke. I'm finna go in here and definitely mess with him. Cheap old Al, man. He paid me no attention. He was flying in there. Man, too funny. Hold on. Swerve in here real quick, guys. Go handle this business real quick in here. Let me shut this roof back, man. You know what I'm talking about? Truck light. Where we close it at? Oh, uh-oh. me slide this back, man. All right, let's go. Hell, it is McDonald's, man. Man, he got some music playing in here. What's up, man? What up, man? What you doing, man?
Put this wheel up in there.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna holler at you in 1 minute. All right. Velvet boots. I know, I just seen them. Velvet boots, the Assassin's Creed mask on. Boy, how the hell can you see working? I just swerved on Al, man. I just swerved on him and came out the roof on him. What'd you say? Man, he got you in here washing everything, man. Keeping everything clean. What y'all got going on over here? I hear some Bruno Mars or somebody going on. I already knew what time it was when I stepped in here, man. What in the... Man, he got you doing brake jobs. Oh, man. Oh, man. Al out here bad, man. Got my boy Velvet Boots doing brake jobs and everything. Man, y'all be careful around that Beamer. Oh, okay. And he got you painting. What? Velvet Boots in here getting down on Al's truck. For sure. For sure. I see you in here. I know when Al last crashed, I know it's because you put the brakes on. I forgot to put the brake fluid in there.
Change for 120?
I got change for what?
For 100 for 20s.
I got hundreds, but I ain't got no 20s.
You got no 20s at all?
Let me see, man. Nope, all hundreds, buddy.
That's pretty nice.
Nope, not even. Martin, man, where you going with these raggedy wheels, man? What, you done hit a pothole? I know you done hit something.
No, they all still new.
Oh, you selling them?
Yeah, I'm selling.
How much?
I want 1,500.
All right, guys. My boy Martin selling his wheels for 1,500. What size are they? 6s, right?
6s, yeah. Fit on the SRX, XT, with the XT5, XT6, SRX, and the Enclave.
All right, where they can find
Colorado,
you at? What's your Instagram?
I'm Man Mardigan. It's just underscore MADD_Mardigan. MARTIGAN.
All right, guys. Y'all need some 26s, bam, right here for the low.
Yeah, they for the low too.
What's going on, man?
Only rode them one summer, so you already know.
Yeah, they still look brand smacking new. You still got the truck?
No, I got rid of it.
Oh, okay.
It did a dance on me.
Man. You brought all 4, just one for Al to sell.
I would have got 4. I'm like, it ain't no point.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all might as well get them from my mans before Al add his taxes on there. That's right. Yep, he got music playing in there. Big Donald's still one of his fries on. Straight wrecked out. But anyway, guys, hope y'all like the update on the truck. Just talked to Dave on the phone, man. He just keep playing and playing and playing. I'm about to really switch up on his ass and go to somebody else, because when I need stuff done, I need it done. I can't keep pushing me. I've been planning stuff with him for, man, before SEMA. I almost cussed. I gotta catch myself. No more cussing on the channel. But anyway, guys, it's your boy CJL32s checking out with another video. Till the next update. I'm out, man.